Hello everyone, my name is Julia and I'm your stretching coach. So I'm so excited to share why I am launching a YouTube membership. YouTube membership it's a way for us to take this channel to the next level together. Your support through membership, it invests in new equipment, for example, cameras, new light and sounds. Also exclusive content for you, yes, in very different places. And also creating something new together, yes, new community who care about it and on the growth. What you get if you will my member in membership YouTube. Also early access to my new videos. Also I want to create private chats and streams with members. I love our streams and I can do this very often in membership channel. Also you get special sign near your name. I think it's very cozy and very cute. Also new benefits I will add in the future. So I will say it's not about spending money, it's about emotional connection. It's very important for me. Yes, I'm very shy and so it's very big step for me to create this channel, yes, and provide these topics about staging. Also, I want do more acrobatic elements for membership, only for membership. So welcome. Also, if you would like to join this membership, you just click join bottom below the space, and so welcome with my team and let's go create something new and unique. So thank you so much, see you soon and bye bye.